This is a quick tutorial on how to use the paddle planner to plan a multi-day trip. First of all, go to the map that you would like. In this case, I chose Boundary Waters in Quetico, and then zoom into the area that you want to travel. Make sure that it is in route mode. That is the default mode of the map, so it should already be there, but you can double check that. Then click on your starting point, and then click on the place that you want to go. To mark this as the place where you're going to stop for the day, you can click on Day End up in the toolbar. Now you can click on the next place that you want to go, and if that is also going to be the end of the day, you can mark that as Day End. I can keep doing this until the end of my trip. Down below, you'll see the totals for the entire trip on the left and the day totals on the right. I can click on the various links, or my various nodes here, to change which day I am looking at. Or if I want to look at all of the days, I can click on that part of the toolbar down below, and it will bring up all of my day calculations. So it'll show me my distance, my time, and break it down between paddling and portaging. If I need to, I can also change where these are by clicking on the place I want to change and then dragging it to where I want to go. And that will change all of my calculations. I hope this helps you plan a multi-day trip using Paddle Planner. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us using the email icon on Paddle Planner up in the upper left corner. Thank you.